I'll put all the details about this wig, as well as a direct link to BeautyForever's website, because if you can't tell, I'm probably gonna mess the details up. But if you look in the description box, they will definitely be right. All right, so I love Beauty Forever. They are the originators of this bowling bag storage. Once they did it, all the other companies took suit because it was just so great. I love this bowling bag storage, or toiletry bag. That's what most people say. Toiletry bag, because I can do more with it than just store my wig. So I do love this. So it comes in this bag, and then the wig and all its contents are inside this box. I have not opened this because I like to do everything on cameras with you guys. Okay, so let's open this up. We have the wig here on top. They have included some extras in here, and I love their extras all the time because they are ones that I will actually use. We got an edge band with their branding on it. We have some press-on nails. And we have two HD wig caps, or 2 packs of HD wig caps. All of that I'll use. Some of the other companies sent stuff, I have no idea what they thought I was going to use it for, but that stuff I will actually use. All right, so like I said, I'm reading directly off of here, but if you look in that description box, you'll see all the details. This is a 13x4 pre-everything lace wig, and it is 24 inches long. I can't remember. There was something so special about this wig, and that's why I said I gotta have it. But I can't remember why. So let's take it out of this and look at the wig. Now I remember, it's the color. Now look at that. I miss this old school 99J looking color. It's so hard to find this now. Man, that is pretty. I said I was gonna take it out of this, and I didn't, y'all. Give me one more second. Let me take off this paper. Okay, so now I just got excited. I'm sorry. Y'all, look at this color. And look at the layers that they have cut in this. I can already see them. Y'all, yes, this is gorgeous. Okay, one thing I can appreciate about Beauty Forever, they are not one of these companies that are just haphazardly throwing around pre-everything. They really do everything for you. It's been pre-plucked, pre-all of that, okay? This is a very gorgeous color that I'm excited to see on my head. Super excited. I forgot to mention that, I don't know if I did or not, that they also sent some pre-everything tabs that are game changers for me because I don't like gluing and all that other stuff that people do. So I love these little tabs, and they have also included some already installed on the unit. So you get that 13x4 parting space there. You see those pre-everything tabs. Then you have a comb in the back and some adjustable straps, and you also have an adjustable glueless band. So cap construction is awesome. I know that I am going to like this wig so very much. What I'll do is I'll probably run a flat iron through it and give you a 360, and then I'll come back with my final thoughts, you guys. Be right back.
Not breathe your hand. You only can rescue me. This is my breath. If you were mine, if you were mine, I wouldn't want to go to heaven. This is my breath. If you were mine, if you were mine, I wouldn't want to.
I'm back with my final thoughts on this wig, and if you can't tell, I really love this wig. I normally hate wigs that are this long, but the density, the layers that they cut in it, and the color just took this one over the top. I didn't realize I still had it up in a half up, half down style. I wanted to brush it all down for this outro so you guys could see just how truly, look at my eyelashes, earring gone. But how truly beautiful this wig is. And it's the density. Y'all know normally if a wig is over, at the most I will feel comfortable in is 24. This wig definitely feels like it's longer than that, but it says this is 24. So they are giving you all of that 24-inch that you were asking for, because I swear it feels longer. But because of the density on this one, I absolutely love the length. I love the layers that they did in it. Again, the color is the selling point. This is very gorgeous. This color is perfect for someone who wants to start playing in color, but you don't want to go all the way to the other end of the spectrum. I think that this color would be perfect for you. There's no complaints about this wig. You know, my 3 things are always affordability. This one is very affordable. Beginner friendliness, super beginner friendly, because y'all know I can't comb hair. And quality, and of course the quality, like always from Beauty Forever, is just top notch. There is not a single complaint about this unit. I absolutely love this one. If you're looking at the description box, I'm gonna put a direct link to this wig as well as all the details so you can go and check it out, because I think this is one that when you get it home, you will absolutely enjoy it. Talk to me in the comments and tell me your thoughts. Until next time, which will be very soon. Bye guys.